Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Toyota Tundra steering wheel. First, ensure your vehicle is off and the battery is disconnected to prevent any electrical issues. Make sure your front wheels are perfectly straight and locked in position. Gather your tools, including a screwdriver, a socket wrench, and a steering wheel puller if needed. This preparation ensures a safe and smooth removal process. With safety precautions in place, it's time to address the airbag. Locate the two retaining bolts, usually found on the sides of the steering wheel, and carefully remove them. Gently pull the airbag module away from the wheel, being mindful of the wiring. Disconnect the electrical connectors, often by prying up a small tab, and set the airbag aside in a safe place, face up. Now that the airbag is safely out of the way, focus on the main steering wheel fastener. You'll find a large center nut securing the wheel to the steering column. Before removing it, mark the steering wheel's position relative to the shaft with a pen or marker. This ensures correct alignment during reinstallation. Loosen and remove the nut, then gently wiggle the wheel to free it from the splines. To reinstall, align the steering wheel with the marks you made earlier, ensuring it's perfectly straight. Reattach the large center nut and tighten it to the manufacturer's specified torque. Reconnect the airbag's electrical connectors, then secure the airbag module with its two retaining bolts. Remember to reconnect your battery when finished. Make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description below for a link to these containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.